The following is a short tutorial on how to log into D2L and get into your resource pages. So to log in from a school computer, you can go to any of the folders, the green, blue, or red folder, and inside there's a D2L hyperlink in Chrome. You just click on that and then hit staff. If you're at home, you can Google DSBN D2L and you'll just log in with the same username and password you use to log into school computers. Once you get in, you'll end up on a page that looks like this, and you're going to see your course. And it's this one that says Learning Resource Class. You'll see your name in there. We can clean that up and make it pretty, and you'll see that this is your class. Currently, we have these classes set to inactive, but we can just quickly switch that over. So once you go in, you're going to see that this is the generic page, right? So we can quickly switch that over to the learning resource page. So to do that, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, there's going to be a cog. Note the pencil beside it's clear and I can't click on it. It's like opacity. So what I have to do is, the reason that is because this is a master home page. We can't edit this home page. So what we have to do is we have to select a home page that we can edit. So we're going to go into the cog. Once inside of the cog, you're going to see that here's a home page for each grade, right? If you go down far enough, you're going to see there's one called resource page, links and carousels. So we're going to take this page, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of it. The reason why we're making a copy is because we want to edit it. So now that we have a copy of that page, we're going to search up that page. We just made a copy of it and apply it. Because right now we only have a copy. We haven't actually said what we want to do with it. So when we click that, you're going to see beside resource pages now you have one that says copy. So we're going to select that and then click apply. Now, when you go back to your home page, so you can get it by clicking right here at the top. When you do that, you're going to see now your page has the carousels up top. It's got a bunch of quick links right here, and there's some math resources. And if we continue to go down, now the big difference is the pencil is now a darker color, which means we can now edit this home page. So to edit this home page, we can click on that, right? And if we scroll down to the bottom of this page, you're going to see this is what your page looks like right now. So if you wanted those math resources up at the top, if you weren't going to use content browser, so you put it at the bottom or you got rid of it, you can do whatever you'd like. So for this one, let's just say I wanted to really focus on the math resources here, quick links here, but then there was other sites I was using. So for instance, say I click on this, add widgets, I can go in and I can search other websites. So let's just say I was wanting to use, say, Desmos for math. I could go in and just add that and click add. I could go in and if I wanted to look up websites that have to do with math, I could go in and find some of the ones I need. I can also search by scope and sequence. So here's some of the ones that they talk about in scope and sequence that might be on my page. We can really add any of the ones, any website that you want to your page. So when I say which one does it belong, you'll see now I have these two choices right here. I can save and close, and if I scroll down, there they are on my page, right? The final thing I want to show you is how to change the picture and the text inside the picture. To change the picture, you could go in here and change image. You can search anything you would like. I'm just going to search math. And with this one, I'm going to say I want this to be the one I'm applying. And I can set the new image. If I want to change this text, however, it's a little bit more complicated. Not too hard, though. Just go to Edit Course. Course offering information is where you can change it, and here it is right here. So if I wanted to make it look a lot more friendly for students, I could say learning resource class, and I could say Mrs. Hobbs, and right, and I can go in here and save it, and you'll see that just makes it a little bit more friendly. It changes it up here, and when it changes up here, it also changes it right here on your page. That's a short tutorial on how to log into D2L, how to set your resource page, add a couple links, and change the images at the top.